Welcome to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Be wise and subscribe. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to copy only visible cells in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Sometimes in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet there are cells, rows or columns that are hidden and do not appear. Thankfully we have the option to copy all cells or only the visible ones. We might need to copy only the visible cells and not the hidden ones, like to copy only the summary data from an outline worksheet. By default, Microsoft Excel copies all the hidden or filtered cells along with the visible ones. I have an Excel workbook open, and in the spreadsheet that is active, I have hidden some rows. We can tell that there are hidden rows by the numbering of the rows and how they jump from one number to another number that is not sequential. First, we must select the area of cells that we want to copy. Then from the Home tab of the ribbon, we locate the area named Editing, which is located at the far right. The Find and Select command is located there, where we can use advanced search options to replace text, jump right to a specific spot, or pick other ways to narrow your search. Once we select the command, the drop-down menu appears with the following options to select from: Find, Replace, Go to Special, Formulas, Notes, Conditional Formatting, Constants, Data Validation, Select Objects, Selection pane. From the drop-down menu of the Find and Select command, we select the Go to Special command. The Go to Special dialog box appears with all these available options to select from. These options are Notes, Constants, Formulas, Numbers, Text, Logical Errors, Blanks, Current Region, Current Array, Objects, Row Differences, Column Differences, Precedents, Dependents, Direct Only, All Levels, Last Cell, Visible Cells Only, Conditional Formats, and Data Validation. All same. The command that we must activate is the checkbox at the left of the command, Visible Cells Only. Once activated, we press the OK button to close the Find and Select dialog box. Then from the Home tab of the ribbon and from the left area named Clipboard, we select the Copy command. The final step is to activate the upper left cell of the Paste area and then press the Paste command, which is located in the Clipboard area of the Home tab of the ribbon. Only the visible area of cells will be pasted in the area of cells that we defined. If we hadn't gone through all this procedure and just selected the Copy and Paste command, no matter if cells were hidden, they would have all be pasted in the new area of cells.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.